Hi guys, today we have a Dethleffs Magic Edition, a T1SG 2015 on stock. This vehicle is a low profile, as you can see it's a right hand drive and it's based on a Fiat Ducato. Exterior wise you have an awning, a D handle and reversing camera. Internally you can see that the seats swivel around to the table. Like that, there is nice lighting throughout the vehicle. The front table can make up into another bed if one wanted. So from a kitchen point of view, it has 3-ring hob, an oven and grill, good size L-shaped kitchen. Like that, you have a microwave, a large fridge freezer, and the U-shaped lounge at the back. Bathroom wise, the toilet and shower are an all-in-one unit. There is a plastic screen as opposed to a curtain separating it. So in the rear of the vehicle is U-shaped lounge, which means you have plenty of seating. This table also folds down and it's part of the bed. And from a cab point of view, you can see that there's a reversing camera there, and it has automatic aircon as well. Just a short video, as I said. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to give us a ring and we can certainly go through the vehicle in more detail. Thank you.